this concept of interseeding, to kind of get the cover crop established now, plant it now, nothing left to do in the fall. Kind of the advantage of this is you can use some different species that there isn't enough time for in the fall anymore. So the cover crop comes up while it has light between the corn rows. The cord kind of grows up, shades the interseeding in, and the interseeding kind of hangs out in the shade of the corn all summer and doesn't really compete with the corn. The corn will get chopped off, the interseeded cover crop will get light again and grow, and kind of by probably hopefully the end of September, I'll have a nice thick stand of cover crop here.
We're trying to put some pollinator in, which would be the flax, and then Phacelia are these other little brown ridged ones, and then clover for nitrogen.
Just so we got such a small rate of seed here, and we're just dumping it into the meters just to make sure that it all gets to each meter individually. So we've had real good success with red clover, crimson clover, annual rye, hairy vetch, those types of things. Here we're doing crimson clover, some white clover. There's some Phacelia and flax mixed in for pollinators. Haven't worked out real well for us are things like oats and barley. They want to grow real fast, and they're looking for all the same stuff the corn is, and by the time the corn is harvested, they've completed their life cycle and they're all pretty much gone. So remember, the goal of this is to have a nice fall cover crop that provides cover into the fall, winter, and next spring. And then ideally, if you got some clovers or something in here, that's real nice for a corn on corn situation. Maybe you can get some nitrogen credit, or at the very least, you don't start off with a nitrogen deficit like you sometimes do with like winter rye or something like that. Yeah, on top. Doing one notch back. 3 on the left side, 2 on the right. Seed. So it's kind of a little spot, but there's some. This isn't too deep, but one of the things to watch out for is the herbicide program on this. If you're putting out some long-lasting residual herbicides, it's really tough to get an interseeded cover crop established in something like that. So you kind of got to watch that. It's kind of a balance between weed control and cover crop establishment.
I know there's other demo farm networks that have been doing it, and I just thought that different area, different soil type, we try it here and see if how the results are. Get some 2, 3, 4 years of research and data and numbers off of it.